That doesn't mean you sub. You promised. What the? What is happening? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on?
Super chatted $1.98. Guys, keep on subbing.
What is that? What is that? Why? How did that? That's not possible. That's not possible. That's impossible. Who did? That's not possible. You. That's not possible. There's not even that many people in the stream. That's not fair. That's not fair. You cheated. You bought subs. I got subbotted. That's not fair.
Angelo
That is
Alvarez
not fair.
HD super chatted
No.
$2.
That is not fair. I got subbotted. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. That is not fair. That's not fair. No.
Tan Chocolate 1 super chatted $1.99. Remember me, hee hee hee.
That is literally not fair. That's not fair. You can't do that. That's cheating.
SCR
You guys, you cheated.
Train, super chatted
You
$2.
cheated.
Steak is super ugly.
No, I'm not. Shut. That is so stupid. Are you kidding me?
$4.99. Subbing equals free soda.
I'm not saying it if I got subbotted. That's so unfair. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's not fair. I just got subbotted. It's going to go all the way up to 420K. No. No!
Henry McMahon super chatted $4.99. Your army is weak.
Are you kidding me? That was so stupid. That's not fair, guys. Fine. Fine, I'll say it. I just got 2,000 subscriber bots. That is so stupid. That is so stupid.
Abstract Tabby super chatted $2.44. Steak, you are a disappointment and an egg.
I'm not. I'll do a poll. I will do a poll. I will do a poll. I think it's cheating if somebody does a subbot. That's so unfair. That is not fair at all. That's not fair. Is it cheating if they use a subbot? Are you kidding me? That is so stupid. That is actually so stupid. What? You said no? That's literally not fair, you guys. I got subbotted. I got literally subbotted. And now you're going to make me say it. That's not fair. That's not fair, you guys. That's not fair. That is not fair. It's literally not fair. It's literally not fair at all. Fine. Fine. Fine.
500.
Fine.
__ forever. BCSO. Super chatted $1.28.
Fine.
Who sub-boating you?
Some fat little kid, that's who. Fine. Fine.
Cyan Gem Chayes super chatted $4.99. Oh my god, come on, this is what we asked Mafaka. Say IT.